To track an airplane on the radar, and we're going to solve this to find the altitude of the plane, we're going to begin by sketching a neat diagram, one which I did not draw because you wanted to be able to understand what the diagram was. So we're going to put our labels in, so our 27.5 kilometers away, also the angle of elevation, which is 10.3 degrees. Now we're going to next, in our second step, identify any right angle triangles, which we have in this diagram right here, denoted by our square. All right, in our next step, we're going to redraw the triangles. We're going to take out any of the airplane, and we're going to take out the tower, anything that's going to take away from the drawing of the triangle. So now we have our triangle, and we've denoted our right angle, and we've put in our 10.3 and our 27.5 kilometers. And in step number 4, we're going to identify which information you have and what you need to find. So we are looking for the altitude, so we are looking for the height right over here. So in step number 5, based on our diagram, we're going to identify whether to use the Pythagorean theorem or a trigonometric ratio. And when we look at h, we are looking for the opposite. And we have the hypotenuse, which is the 27.5, and we have our 10.3 degrees here. So our opposite to that 10.3 is our height, so we're going to use sine to find h. So in number 6, we're going to use the sine of 10.3 degrees is equal to the opposite, which is our height we're looking for, over the hypotenuse, which is 27.5. In our final step of performing the calculation and checking our answer, when we perform our calculation, we find that h is equal to 4.92 kilometers. And to verify that that is the correct answer, we're going to check it. And we're going to first of all check the missing angles here to make sure that is correct. And then we're going to find the cosine, because we're looking for the that we have the hypotenuse and the adjacent, so we're looking for the opposite of what we found. And the cosine for 79.7 degrees does work out as well. So therefore, we can conclude the altitude of the plane is 4.92 kilometers.